Welcome back to the Foolish Kitchen. I know it's been a while. I apologize. I can only edit video on my laptop, and my laptop was indisposed. But we're back, hopefully. This is something I hooked up recently, which I almost have no need for, but it intrigued me. It is obviously cast aluminum. However, this had been run through the dishwasher, obviously, a billion times, and that's why it's gray. And I want to just, it'll make me happy to make it not gray. And I've brought out the 000 steel wool and some WD-40, and I'm just going to clean it. And I might even just turn off the voiceover. Thanks for joining me.